Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. Today's date is May 8, 2023. This is a Forex quick look at the euro versus US dollar, so let's get started. It is a holiday in France and also in the UK, but most of the rest of the Europe is open, and we are seeing up and down price action in trading here today. But before we get into that, let's take a little bit of review of last week. We did have the low price come in on Tuesday. That broke below this swing area here with low and low and low and low. It was really a floor, wasn't it, before the market started to rotate to the upside, and then fell below it on Tuesday before rebounding all the way to the upside. So we had this nice little floor right through here, and we fell below that level on Tuesday, chopped around it before moving to the upside. The high price that we saw on Wednesday and Thursday came in ahead of this high price going back to the previous week on April 26th or thereabouts, and then we had high price, high price, high price, short of those levels on Thursday's trade before rotating to the downside and moving further lower. Admittedly, Friday's price action was up and down, and today we are seeing a move back to the upside. But what is key on Friday is that off the employment report that we had in the U.S., the low price, where do we bottom against the old floor level right through here, and also the 50% retracement of this move up from this low to this high right through here. So that 50% retracement held, its swing level, old floor level held as well, and the price quickly rebounded to the upside, closing near the 100 and 200 hour moving averages. In trading here today, the price moved higher, broke above the Friday high, but could not sustain momentum, came right back down to the 200 hour moving average, found support against that level, and also found support against the 100 hour moving average right through here, and it's staying above those levels. So guess what? The bias is a little bit more to the upside in this up and down trading environment that we still remain in for the euro versus US dollar. Been in this range here for a long time. Extremes up here, extremes up here, extremes down here, which failed. But all the price action is in between 109.32 and 110.75. That's only about 140 or so pips, 43 pips. That's not a big move for all this time period right here. So the market's still waiting for the shove either to the upside or the downside. We're just not getting it. We just so in between until we get that, we're going to use a 100 and 200 moving average as a barometer. Maybe use these other levels. This area right here is some number of swing areas, and of course this floor right here is a key level, as is maybe this ceiling area right through here ahead of the extreme. So that's how I see the euro versus US dollar, a little bit more positive here of the 100 and 200 hour moving average. We'll see if that momentum can be sustained, if you call it momentum. But let's see if that bias can be sustained in trading here today. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune through trading. Bye-bye now.